Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the price details about the Realme GT Neo 2. Yes friends, finally the Realme did launch the Realme GT Neo 2 in India, and the pricing of this phone is going to be really very interesting friends. A lot of users, they actually plan to buy this phone. But let's take a look at the pricing of this device. And the price of this phone starts around close to 31,999 rupees for the 8GB and 128GB variant with a Snapdragon 870 120Hz refresh rate, E4 AMOLED panel, 65 watt or super dot charger, 5000 mAh battery, and 12GB RAM variant starts around 35,999. But the interesting part is that during the festival sale offer, the price of this phone gonna come about 7,000 rupees off. So which we did see before in the Realme phones. For example, Realme X1 Max and Realme GT Master Edition, we got about 6,000 rupees off. Similarly like that, we are going to see this kind of 7,000 rupees off as a festival sale discount, as you can clearly see friends, which will be the huge discount on the Realme GT Neo 2. And definitely friends, this is going to be really interesting to see, because this 7,000 rupees off can be applied maybe either for the exchange or maybe for the prepaid offer. That's what I'm expecting at this moment, but there is no information regarding the bank offers, exactly what kind of bank to select at this moment. And the first sale will be available for the Flipkart Plus members around 16th of October 12 noon. As you can see, starting from the 12 AM, the sale will be on for the Flipkart Plus membership only for the first time, you can see. And then the first sale will be on the 17th of October. So friends, for this 25,000 rupees, this is going to be really very interesting choice, the Realme GT Neo 2. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on the Realme GT Neo 2? Are you interested to buy this Realme GT Neo 2 or not? Let me know. For this kind of price, definitely friends, a lot of users, they will be interested to buy this device. I'll try to do separate in-depth video as well very soon on the specifications listed and everything. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you are interested to buy this device. So I'm going to be back with the next upcoming video friends. Thank you for watching. Meanwhile, signing off. Bye.